I'll admit it. The first time I read this headline, I rolled my eyes. Scientists are controlling lightning? Yeah, okay. Then I watched the experiment, and suddenly this didn't sound crazy anymore. For as long as people have existed, lightning has basically done whatever it wanted. You build a lightning rod and hope for the best. That's about it. But a group of researchers asked a different question. Instead of waiting for lightning, what if you could give it a better path to follow? That's where lasers come in, not the kind that slice through steel in movies. These are incredibly powerful lasers fired straight into the sky. For a tiny fraction of a second, the laser changes the air it passes through. It creates a channel that's easier for electricity to travel through. Think of it like clearing a trail through a forest. Lightning naturally wants to take the easiest route. If the laser creates that route, there's a chance the lightning follows it. And believe it or not, that's exactly what researchers observed during real-world testing. Now, before anybody starts thinking we're about to aim thunderstorms wherever we want, that's not what's happening. The technology is still experimental. The laser isn't creating lightning. It isn't shooting lightning like a weapon. It's simply encouraging a natural lightning strike to follow a specific path. That might not sound exciting at first, until you think about where lightning causes problems. Airports, launch pads, power stations, wind farms, communication towers. If engineers could reliably guide lightning towards safer locations, it could reduce damage to some of the world's most important infrastructure. Of course, nothing about this is easy. You're trying to influence one of the most powerful natural forces on Earth. Weather changes constantly. Humidity changes. Wind changes. Even tiny differences in the atmosphere can affect the results. That's why researchers are still testing the technology. But here's what keeps sticking with me. Humans have spent thousands of years trying to protect ourselves from lightning. Now we're asking something completely different. Can we actually steer it? Not stop it, not create it. Just gently convince it to go somewhere safer. Honestly, that's one of the coolest engineering challenges I've heard in a long time. Because if we ever figure it out, lightning might stop being something we simply survive and become something we can actually influence.